look at the Sunday, everyone. It's like everyone's getting in line because like everyone is, this country is the best because not only have we taken control of the Sunday, we have the coast, we engulf the coast, and we consume the sun, and then Palantir stock is doing well, said Nvidia, and I couldn't be prouder to be the aberration, anomaly, or whatever it is that is me. But I'm also really pretty, just saying. Well, look at the Sunday. Ooh, this Sunday looks bizarro. It's like a splatter. Because it looks like one Sunday is consuming another Sunday, and then there's a bunch of green stuff. The spectacle of Sunday absorbing the Sunday in order. And I get it, it's because it's the way I'm holding the camera, but you're welcome, everybody, that I even bothered doing this for months. I brought it to light that I was entangling with the sun, everyone's fun, and now I'm engulfing the sun for fun, engulfing the Gold Coast, and then engulfing the sun for fun. Which is the continent with the mostest, the one that absorbs the coast and consumes the sun. More fun for everyone, see? I align with my country. How patriotic are you? Are you doing this much for your country? Ask not what your country can do for you, but what you can do for your country. Wow, these are really Einstein, Roseberg, whatever, Einstein bridges. I'm serious, I'm just with my cousin.